Hey guys, welcome to my new Python video tutorial. In this video, I will teach you if statement and condition in Python programming language with good and easy example for better understanding. Without wasting your time, let me introduce you to condition in Python programming language. Python supports these common logical conditions for mathematics, which are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equals, not equals. We can use this condition in various ways, usually in if statements, Elif statements, and many Python statements. So what are we talking about? Let me jump into code editor to write a program with this condition and if statements. Let me create a block of condition. Now, I created a variable s and I assigned 10 to it. And if s greater than 5, system should print out good morning. Let's print it out to see the output. The output is good morning because s, which is 10, is greater than 5. But what if the condition is not true? We can also give it another output with the use of else statement. Let's do that. Let us change this 5 to 30 and add the else statement. Yeah, what we just did here is that we created a variable s and we assigned 10 to it. We now say if s greater than 30, system to print out good morning. But if s is not greater than 30, system to print out good afternoon. Pause this video and guess what will be the output. Our output will be good afternoon because s, which is 10, is not greater than 30. Let's run the program to see the output. Our output is now good afternoon. We can also use two or more conditions if the first condition is not true with the use of early statement. Let's do that. Let's clean this one up. Yeah, what we just did here is that we created two variables A and B and assign value 20 to both of them. Condition 1 say if B equal to A, print same value. If this condition is not true, program will jump to condition 2, which is Elif A less than B, print A is less than B. If this second condition is not also true, program will print S value, which is none. Let's run the program to see the output. The output is same value. Let's add one more condition and change our values. Let me give this one 10 this time around and add another variable C with value 75. Let's put another condition here. Let us just duplicate it and edit it. What we just did here is that we created three variables A, B, and C and assigned value 20 to A, 10 to B, and 75 to C. And our first condition is if B equal to A, print same value. If this first condition is not true, program will jump to second condition. Elif A less than B, print A is less than B. If this second condition is not also true, program will jump to third condition, which is Elif C greater than A, print C is greater than A. If this third condition is not true, program will jump to else statement and print out none. Let's run the program to see the output. Our output is C greater than A. Let's check why our output is C is greater than A. Our condition 1 say if B equal to A, print same value. Since value B, which is 10, is not equal to value A, which is 20, they are not the same value. This first condition is wrong. The second condition is Elif A less than B, print A is less than B. Since A is not less than B, this second condition is not also true. Let's check our third condition. Our third condition say Elif C greater than A, print C greater than A. Since C is greater than A, the third condition is true. That is why the output is C greater than A. So that is all about condition and if statement in Python programming language. I hope you understand how to use condition and if statement by now. If not, watch this video again and don't forget to like this video and click subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel before. See you in the next video.